Prostate enlargement is common in men as they grow older. About 50% of men over 50 years old have some prostate growth. By age 80, almost 90% of men experience it. But you do not have to suffer in silence or rely only on medicines or surgery. Some simple natural methods from your own kitchen can help you prevent and even reduce prostate enlargement. Number 1. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice used in almost every Indian kitchen. It works very well to reduce inflammation and harmful toxins in the body. Research shows turmeric supports liver health and helps clear the blood. You can add a teaspoon of turmeric to your daily meals or mix it with honey and consume it every day. It helps keep your prostate healthy. Number 2. Fenugreek seeds, also called Methi, are well known to reduce the enlargement of the prostate gland. Methi helps lower the size and pressure of the prostate. Try soaking a teaspoon of Methi seeds overnight in water. Drink this water on an empty stomach in the morning. You can also add Methi seeds to your cooking. It helps with easing frequent urination and other prostate problems. Number 3. Sesame seeds and pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc. Zinc is very important for prostate health. Men with prostate problems often have 75% less zinc in their bodies. Eating a small handful of sesame seeds or pumpkin seeds daily can help increase zinc levels naturally. You can add these seeds to your salads, smoothies, or even eat them raw. This simple habit helps protect your prostate. Number 4. Garlic and onions are common kitchen ingredients. Research says men who eat more garlic and onions have fewer prostate problems. Garlic and onions help reduce swelling and improve blood flow. Eating them daily in your meals is a good way to keep your prostate healthy. You could also eat raw garlic or cooked onion regularly to get these benefits. Number 5. Spices like cumin, fennel, and mint are great for your prostate too. They work by helping digestion, reducing gas, and making your urine flow better. Drinking herbal tea made with cumin, fennel, and mint leaves can help with urinary issues related to prostate enlargement. These spices also balance your body naturally and support healthy digestion. Number 6. Ceylon cinnamon may have a positive effect on prostate health, particularly in inhibiting cancer cell growth through mechanisms like proteasome inhibition and triggering apoptosis, as seen in cell and animal studies. It also showed potential in a rat model to mitigate oxidative stress and prevent prostate cancer development. It inhibits cancer cell proliferation. Cinnamon compounds can inhibit the proliferation of prostate cancer cells by acting as proteasome inhibitors, a process similar to some cancer drugs. Cinnamon compounds can lead to the death of cancer cells by promoting autophagy-dependent apoptosis, programmed cell death, and enhancing the activity of key apoptotic markers like caspase-8 and caspase-3. Inhibits cancer cell spread. In rat models, cinnamon and its compounds were observed to decrease the spread of cancer cells in the prostate gland. Cinnamon's active components may help mitigate oxidative stress, which is a factor in cancer development. Some research indicates cinnamon can inhibit angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors, which helps limit tumor growth. Besides these foods, remember to drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated keeps your urine light and flowing well, which helps the prostate too. Avoid holding your urine for too long. Going to the bathroom as soon as you feel the urge is important. Also, try not to sit for too long. Moving around often helps blood flow in your lower body and supports your prostate health. Simple yoga exercises and stretching can also improve your prostate function. Eating fresh fruits, nuts like almonds and walnuts, and green leafy vegetables adds important vitamins and antioxidants. These nutrients help stop the prostate from growing too much. Avoid too much red meat, fried foods, and very spicy items. These can worsen prostate problems. Instead, prefer a clean, balanced diet with natural kitchen foods. In short, turmeric, fenugreek, sesame, and pumpkin seeds, garlic, onions, cumin, fennel, and mint from your Indian kitchen can naturally help prevent and treat prostate enlargement. Drink water regularly, keep active, and eat fresh, healthy foods. These simple steps can keep your prostate working well and reduce uncomfortable symptoms. Taking these natural ways with some care and attention can make a big difference in your prostate health. Please click the like button and subscribe if you think this video is useful. On the screen, you see an essential video for you. Thanks very much for watching this video. References are in the comments and description sections. See you in the next video. If problems get worse, consult a doctor, but using your kitchen's gifts is a great place to start.